I need your help. You guys know a lot about trucks. You run them all day long. I've ran trucks for years, but I'm going to make a change. I'm coming from a GMC 2500 Duramax, and I'm thinking about switching to either a Ram or a Ford. Ram 3500. This would be a high output Cummins with an Aisin transmission, or possibly a Ford F350 limited, loaded up the whole 9 yards. Which truck would you pick, and why would you pick it? Because I'm having a hard time picking between these two trucks, but I want to try something different. Come on, let's see what happens.